this video we shall talk about BUIDL. Now this word may look like this, and that is exactly what it is. It is a variation of HODL and build, and just like HODL, it is a call to action for building and contributing to build the crypto chain. It means don't just hold up, but build the crypto ecosystem. So let's just see what it means. The BUIDL movement believes that instead of just accumulating or trading cryptocurrencies, people should start contributing proactively in order to help adoption and improve the ecosystem. Interestingly, you don't have to be a programming expert because BUIDLing is simply using cryptocurrency for its intended purpose and just being active with simple tasks like utilizing smart contracts, beta testing products, writing articles, playing blockchain games, using cryptocurrency wallets, and anything that could help the blockchain and cryptocurrency fields evolve and expand. So this was BUIDL. To know more about such technical terms, please subscribe to our channel now. Thank you.